we're going to do a next gen rewind in case you missed it the first time.
Well, family, July is here. So what does that mean? That means we are at 6 months. We are at half of the year. I know you have, well, first, happy Monday to you, but I know you have heard of having Christmas in July. We all have heard of having Christmas in July. We're 6 months away from Christmas, and it might be something you might be thinking about, something you might not even be thinking about. But for those that are, I want to be able to help offer a solution that I went through research. In the description box below, you can be able to go ahead and click the link to be able to see the rest of the tips. But how to be able to have an all cash Christmas. Doesn't that sound amazing? I know it sounds amazing to me. Well, getting prepared now in July is exactly what you need to do to be able to get gifts for all of your loved ones. Now we know that, gifts aren't everything, but if you want to be able to show your love in a way by giving them a gift and not breaking the bank, this will be helpful for you. So after you listed all of your people that you want to be able to get something for, maybe it's your children, or maybe it might be an uncle or a cousin or someone, we want to be able to take this moment, all right, and start saving each month. We are at July right now. So you have August, September, October, November. You want to be able to start saving up and putting aside. Say if you have grandkids, you want to be able to start putting aside your money right now. So listen, with this, the tip from Dave Ramsey is to divide your total savings by the number of months left until the most wonderful day of the year. He said that this is how much you will need to save each month. So motivating you on today in this millennial moment, if you indeed, I'm a Christmas girl, I love the holidays. If you want to be able to bless someone with a gift, start right now. But in the description box below, you can be able to see the rest of the ways that you can be able to have an all cash Christmas, and as well as to not go outside of your budget. So happy July. I can't wait to see you guys on another video. But have an amazing week this week and be blessed on purpose. See you soon.
Huh?